everybody every success in this, the 10th consecutive year of the Taiwan Season here at the Edinburgh Festival Fringe. Congratulations on what you're doing.
以演出作为一个开始，然后来到爱丁堡，然后来跟国际上有一些接触。
会遇到很多的困难，但是不要太放在心上，好好的享受这一切。
下来给后面的人镜头。
被看见这件事情，我们就会觉得，其实也还蛮值得的。
Taiwan Season，
我们看到很多大家现在去的方向之后，我们更加确信我们要做这件事情是对的。
Thank you to Taiwan Season for choosing the Edinburgh Fringe to have this showcase.
这个台湾季10年，对于我们而言，我相信是一个非常重要的转捩点。那另外一方面，也是一个重要的学习的起点。那我们希望在这样的过程当中，可以让台湾季在未来可以因应这个瞬息万变的表演艺术市场，然后可以跟国际整个发展的趋势更加的扣合。
Some of the most successful shows we've ever had in terms of matching our artistic remit that is challenging, contemporary, saying something about the world in an interesting way has been from the Taiwan season. So we're always excited to work with them and see what's coming up.
看到这个字你会怎么做？抖抖
从确认我们要来演出到作品内容的调整，或是包含文宣上的调整，其实我们没有这么把语言文化放在最前面。其实我们还是回到，就是它是一个元素，然后这些元素怎么变成场上的所有一切的身体动作、肢体、旋律、声音，甚至包含就是每一个段落想要玩的。安静或是比较热闹的段落，其实每一次观众的反应都很热烈，所以大家都会有很多就是眼神交汇的瞬间跟相视而笑的反应。
But I'm happy.
When we came out, they said they thought it was really fun and they really enjoyed it. I think they enjoyed all the bits where you could participate.
The performers were excellent and it was extremely unique. I think we've never seen anything like it, and I think it was really, really brilliant for every age.
I love the singing.
Yeah.
An umbrella song was really nice, wasn't it? You liked that? And it was multifaceted in lots of ways. Yeah, it was great.
All the different elements, colours, lights, dancing, music.
It was a really sweet show. It was beautiful and colourful, really engaging, and I really enjoyed the different cultural aspects that were added in. It was really beautiful.
The right hand looked at those feet, feeling a strange sense of familiarity, just like when he met the left hand.
这个版本其实跟中文最不一样的地方是，因为我们在中文在水源剧场演的时候是由演员自己去讲出来的。那到了英文，因为这边其实我们是为了需要让观众都能够听得懂，尤其是这边可能会有小朋友的观众，所以在英文的翻译上面以及在念词上面，我们的采取的策略是比较是让这个整个故事就变成好像是在念一个童书的这种感觉，它会把它翻得更加的诗意，然后有一些韵脚啊，然后有一些很漂亮的画面，然后去透过语言把它给书写出来。
然后在这一边，你就是一步你就碰到第一个观众了。那个相较 校那个关系就变得非常的亲密，就是他也会更直接的给你回馈，你会直接看到他的表情。
I thought it was very emotional and really meaningful, and it was more the morale than just the play, and I think it was very well performed, and the movements, and it really made, like, it was really in my heart, even though I don't know much about what happened.
It's a children's show, but it works for everyone, and it has some very important messages in it, but mostly it's just a very beautifully crafted piece of theatre.
I like the idea about the broken body. I like the idea about the way from the different parts of the body trying to find back to a unity. I really liked the puppet playing.
I thought the emotional journey of the soldier was very moving, and said a lot about what darkness and light and war and hope does to us.
From an assembly point of view, we'd love to keep welcoming work from Taiwan that really pushes the boundaries and that is contemporary, that shows some aspects of contemporary life in Taiwan and also shows the high level of skill and commitment that the Taiwanese artists bring. And we just thought both of them fitted really well within the programme and really show the kind of talent that's available in Taiwan at the moment.
I 我觉得这次来收获比较不一样的是，因为我们过去是比较针对在台湾的观众去设计这个表演，然后发现这边的观众他们其实很喜欢反差性很大的东西，所以我们就是也在我们自己的作品当中去慢慢的调整，然后每天也是跟着演员在讨论说我们要怎么样让观众可以去用比较轻松的方式，然后去理解到我们想要跟他们分享的事情。
我觉得来这边，我自己觉得一开始最大的突破就是我们的暖身时间缩得非常的短，然后跟演员可以很快的定位，让自己的身体定位，让自己的身体的温度，然后让自己的心态定位，就是一个非常快速开机，我觉得是一个蛮神奇的事情。
I think it shows people the kind of experience women have to go through on a daily basis and that it is a struggle. And I also think that the performance itself was just very beautiful and very well done. Yeah.
I think it's just amazing. The concept and the idea of the show is just very good because it's asking the questions about the woman identity, about the body, who has the control of the body or who is controlling whose body.
I really loved the ambience and like the beauty of it. It was very atmospheric. I just think it's really, really important and really lovely to come and support like women on stage, having a beautiful time, being characters, being individuals.
所以其实我每天都在做同样的事情，所以我觉得更熟悉之外，它因为熟悉，所以你在演出的过程中，很多时候你是可以去改变你平常的选择的，所以我觉得它就会变得再更有机一点，跟更符合当下的状态一点。
其实最大的收获，其实反而是观看到国际上的马戏在爱丁堡究竟在发生什么事情。对，这个可以让我们更知道说，那我们自己的市场定位到底在哪里？那假设我之后还要继续做创作的话，我应该是要去哪一个方向？应该是要维持自己台湾的特色，还是我应该是要抢那些市场性的东西之类的。
Well, we loved it. It was genuinely one of the most wonderful acro circus things we've seen, especially here at the Fringe. Probably our favorite thus far. It was, touching. The narrative was beautiful and just so physically impressive.
Absolutely mesmerizing. Beautiful lighting and just stunning visually.
Like their movement was like so in sync and like it evoked a lot of emotion in the movement, and it was very nice, honestly. Yeah, like it's my second day in Edinburgh, and it's like so far the best show I've watched.
The connection between the two performers is really, really powerful, really, really impressive. You can see that they've worked together, they've got a real rapport on stage and just a beautiful, beautiful relationship to watch.
Another 10 years of Taiwan Season I really look forward to. Thank you.